I'm not Momo, Chinky, or Chinese. I'm Indian. It's shameful that even in 2025, our fellow Indian from the Northeast have been forced to say this yet again. And the incident that led to this should put all of us to shame, especially those who still casually use this racist abuse against Northeast Indian as a joke. 24-year-old Angel Chakma had come from Tripura to Dehradun for his MBA. His parents even took an education loan so he could study at a private university there. He became one of the first few students from his college to get place and asked his father to retire as BSF head constable, saying that he will take care of the family now. But on 9 December this year, when he went out just to buy groceries with his younger brother in Dehradun, a group of men decided to show Angel that he was wrong to expect that he can walk freely in his own country in a northern state. The younger brother Michael said that six drunk men, two of them under 18, started calling him Chinese and Momo in a fight. They asked him, "Oi Chinese, have you come to buy pork?" Chakma tried to tell them that they are from Tripura, they are Indians. But that didn't stop these men. They hit Michael with kada, and when his elder brother Angel came to save him, Michael said that these hateful men stabbed Angel with a knife in his spine and hit him on his head so bad that Angel collapsed on the spot and get worse. While Michael struggled to take Angel to the hospital, these murderers celebrated after committing this disgusting crime. They bought alcohol and partied, according to the police. And Angel, he died due to these injuries after battling for life in a hospital for 17 days. And his last word reportedly were, "I am an Indian." The son of BSF Jawan was forced to prove his nationality to a bunch of goons who went against everything that Indian stands for. And our system just made matter worse. The family had to struggle to even get an FIR registered in this case. Angel's father said that the Uttarakhand police refused to register an FIR initially, saying ऐसे छोटे मोटे केस होते रहते हैं. While the police denied these allegations, they also said that there is no proof to call this a racial attack yet. The family is now scared to send their younger son back to Uttarakhand, as the father said that he worked to protect the country, but he couldn't save his own son from his own countrymen.